Hi, this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I would like to explain a little bit more what is this Play with Lisa event. I like to get a connect with my customer, my viewers. Since this pandemic happened, I lost that opportunity. That's how I get this idea. Play with Lisa. How it work? So I have chosen this Butterfly Kisses combo set. I'm going to use this combo set to create at least 25 different kind of card. So I'm going to show you 25 plus different kind of stamping technique that I know and I use all the time. If you have this stamp set, welcome to join me. If you'd like to purchase this stamp set, I am offering great promotion deal. So the regular price is $24.99 for this combo set, plus you have to pay the shipping fee too. But during this Play with Lisa promotion, I'm offer $17.99 and it is free shipping. So if you'd like to purchase this stamp set, I will put the link below. If you don't like to purchase this stamp set, you are welcome to join us too. You can use any stamp set you like, any die cut you like. I'm just sharing you the stamping technique. So no need to purchase this stamp set if you don't want to. So how you work? The only thing you need is having a Zoom account. Shortly, I will create a link and I will put that link under this Butterflies Kisses listing. I also will provide the password. So when the day comes, that will be June 13 for the first play time, you are going to log into your Zoom meeting and you are going to type this password and you will get on Zoom. You can decide if you want to choose it to show your face or not. I'm totally okay with that. So here is how you work. I will do most of the talking and the teaching. I will keep the chatting Zoom open. So if you want to talk to me, so you are going to send me a chatting a text message and I will unmute your microphone. I have no idea how many people is going to join us. I hope it's going to be so much fun. So this is going to be the first public free lesson for everybody. So I am not sure how it works, but luckily I will get a chance to practice a little bit with my first private Zoom meeting. So that's how you work, and just make sure I will put all the information under this link. Just click that. No need to sign out. Just when the day comes, just make sure you log in and fill out the password. Don't panic if you cannot make it in the June 13 or 27. I will record this event and I will post on the YouTube shortly after this event finish. So you can watch the replay, and if you miss anything, and then you can just watch the video. During our Zoom meeting, I'm going to control this the group meeting under 1.5 hours, maximum 2. So I'm just keep moving a project after project, and then if you cannot follow up, don't worry, just do what you can, and I just want to have fun, have some chatting, communication with my customers and my viewer. So later on, you can just watch the replay. No worry. So I will post all the material that I am using for this Play with Lisa event. I am only use 2 stamps. One is this Butterfly Kisses and one is our words background. So no need to buy exactly the same stamp. Just prepare some stamp and the basic crafting tool. You will be fine. So I'm so looking forward for this June 13 Play with Lisa event, and I really hope you can join me. See you in June. But before that, I will continue to working on some awesome video to share with you how to use a Local King's product. And I still remember we are going to celebrate Local King 5,000 YouTube subscription. And then during this Play with Lisa event, if you're joining us, you will get a special reward. You will get a special discount code. And then when I'm running that celebrate for Local King's 5,000 subscription, you will get some extra discount code. Hoping you can join us, and remember, this is absolutely free. We just want to have fun, play, chatting, have some wine. That's it. So this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stand. Thank you so much. See you in June 13 at 2 o'clock Pacific time.